governor of Abia State is really doing an amazing job. This is Ikote Benero, and our bakery is along Ihe opposite Amaraje Hospital. As they approached our bakery, I was filled with excitement about the construction going on. So we decided to do something. So we decided to make this puff puff to appreciate and encourage them for a job well done. I think they are more excited than we had fun walking under the sun and the dust while sharing the puff puff. We moved from Winners Junction to Corn Oil filling station. If you know Mudike Road very well. As we're going, some were asking, can we get some? Is it free? And the moment they hear that it's free, they rush us even more. Honestly, to stand under that sun is not easy. I pray God continue to bless our governor and everyone who is putting in their best to right the wrong in our states. Amen. If you are no more here and you are yet to patronize this brand, Ima Recipe brand, then this is your sign to do so. You can walk in or order online. We are always available to take down your order. We make the best mochos, parfait, burger, meat pie, bread, and lots more. As we're going, we kept asking, is it free? He said, yes, it is free. Free. Yeah. Yeah. It was all fun doing this. Is this something I would like to do again? Yes. See you on my next video. Bye. Mwah.
My people, what you have just watched now is the true spirit of an Igbo man and woman. You see what is happening in Abia State. Our governor is truly doing an amazing job, and our people are responding in the most beautiful way. Just look at this wonderful lady from Ima Recipe brand, whose bakery is located along Ehen Dume, opposite Amaraje Hospital. She and her team decided to show appreciation to the hard-working construction workers by sharing delicious puff balls with them. As they approached the bakery, the excitement was palpable. They walked under the hot sun and through the dust, sharing from Winners Junction to Corn Oil, Filling Station, and all along Mudike Road. The workers were asking, can we get some? Is it free? The moment they heard it was free, they rushed forward with even more joy. My people, that kind of kindness you saw in the video, that is the true spirit of an Igbo man and woman. It is who we really are, generous, thoughtful, and always ready to encourage and lift others up. Whatever negative things you may see in some Igbo people today is not our original nature. It is largely the result of the harsh Nigerian environment and system we have found ourselves in. Just think about it. Abroad, cats and dogs are friendly and playful because of the environment they live in. But in Nigeria, these same animals become wild and aggressive because of the tough conditions. It is exactly the same with people. Take an Igbo man or woman out of that oppressive Nigerian system and place them in a better environment, and you will see the very best of humanity. This, my brothers and sisters, is why Biafra must come. We need our own space to fully restore and express the true spirit of Igbo-ness, that spirit of kindness, excellence, hard work, and generosity that God originally gave us. The governor is doing well, and initiatives like this from Ima Recipe brand are exactly what we need to see more of. If you are new and you haven't patronized them yet, let this be your sign. They make the best Munchausen, parfait, burgers, meat pies, bread, and so much more. You can walk in or simply order online. They are always ready to serve you. My dear people, doesn't this warm your heart? If this video touched you, if it reminded you of the greatness we are capable of, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment, share this video, and let others see it too. This is the kind of spirit that will take us forward. Governor, keep up the great work. Our people, keep showing that beautiful light. I will see you all in the next one. God bless Abia State. God bless our people. You are amazing. Stay blessed and keep that Igbo spirit alive. See you soon.